What if I told you that you could start investing in big Ghanaian companies like MTN, EcoBank, or Guinness Ghana, all from your phone without even leaving your room? Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. Today, I'm showing you the first crucial step to buying stocks in Ghana, getting your CSD account through IC Wealth app. Welcome to the Investment Nerds, your personal guide to investing in the African stock market. 1. What is a CSD account and why do you need it? Imagine you want to buy some land. You get a title deed to prove you own it, right? CSD account is essentially your title deed for stocks. It's an electronic account where your ownership of shares, stocks, is recorded. Central Securities Depository, CSD account. It's like your personal digital safe for all your investments. In Ghana, you absolutely cannot buy shares on the Ghana Stock Exchange, GSE, without a CSD account. It's the official record that says, yes, this person owns these shares. 2. Meet your new best friend, the IC Wealth app. The IC Wealth app is one of your digital gateway to investing in Ghana stock market. It's a mobile app from IC Securities, one of the licensed brokers in Ghana. It makes investing simple, accessible and fast, all from your phone. No need for mountains of paperwork or long queues. 3. How to get your CSD account. It's easier than you think. Here's exactly how you get your CSD account through the IC Wealth app. 1. Download the app. Go to your phone's App Store, Google Play or Apple App Store, and search for IC Wealth. The IC Wealth app looks like this. Download and install it. This may take some time depending on your network speed. 2. Sign up, register. Open the app and follow the prompts to create your account. You'll likely need your phone number and email. If you are currently outside the country, I will recommend you use your email address since your Ghana phone number may not be active. After creating the account, you will be directed to the tab called the dashboard where you see your total holdings. 3. Open CSD account. Look for an option on the tabs called Trade Live. If this is your first time, you will be presented with a screen to request for a new CSD account. Click on the option Continue with your existing CSD account or tap to create one here. The app will guide you to fill in your information. Your Ghana card details and bank account details, where your money will come from, go to. Investment horizon. How long do you intend to do this investment? Risk level. What level of risk can you tolerate? And investment objective. Why are you doing this investment? You may also need to provide your photo and signature. 4. What happens next? You're ready to invest. Once your CSD account is approved and linked to your IC Wealth app, you are officially ready to buy stocks on the Ghana Stock Exchange. Upon completion, an email confirmation will be sent when your account is ready. The duration depends on the information you provided and how soon the broker validates it. After receiving this email, check the Trade Live section of your app. The Tap Here to Trade option will be waiting at the top. You can then deposit money into your investment account through the app and start buying shares of your favorite Ghanaian companies. Getting your CSD account is your first step to building wealth in Ghana. Tell me in the comments, what's the first Ghanaian company you want to buy shares in once you get your CSD account? If this video helped you understand the bigger picture, like and share it. Subscribe for more insights as we navigate these economic waters together.